3 ropes are laid down on the floor as shown on the right. You can make one big complete rope by adding one of the sets of the rope ends shown in the pictures below. Which set will make one complete rope? That's the thing. Okay, so we have various options, right? We'll check the first option, which connects the first end and the third point. The next one is second and the last point, and fourth and the fifth point. Now we have to see whether it is making a complete rope. Okay, so this is the starting point. So it keeps going and it drops down and it is looping up and it is reaching back. So we are able to see there is some black area which we haven't touched, right? So that is a different loop. Okay, so the entire rope is not looped, so this option is not going to work out. So now we'll move with the second option, that is first to the fourth and second to the last and third to the fifth. Okay, now we will start and see whether it is going to loop up. See, it's going to form a loop within the first half. So this is not also completing the entire rope. So next we will move on with the third option. So here it is connected like this. Okay, now we will start the looping. Yes, the entire rope is used and a complete loop is formed. So the option C is the answer. Okay, next question is, we have 3 transparent sheets with a pattern shown to the left. We can rotate the 3 sheets but not turn them over. Then we put them all one exactly on top of another. What is the maximum possible number of black squares seen in the square obtained in this way if we look at it from the above? So first we just do overlap the papers and see how many number of black squares we are able to find. Okay, so I'm just keeping this first sheet as such and I'm moving the second sheet over the first sheet. So there will be a black shade in this place. It is occupying this both the areas, squares. Okay, and this again will be the same place. Okay, so now I'm moving the third one up on this and there is really a black square here formed. Okay, and the black here will also hide this place. So the entire sheets are put up on each other and now we are able to see 8 places have been filled with the black square. Okay, now we can, the option is we can rotate the sheets and check out how many are there. Okay, just I'm going to flip this alone. I'm just going to rotate this second sheet and see. Okay, to a 90-degree angle, so it will hide this place, right, and it will also hide this place. Okay, I'm just keeping this as such, so it will hide this 2 places and here. Right, so now we are getting only 7 black squares in point. Like that you have to keep on flipping 2-3 times Okay, and finally I have found that the D is the answer. That is the first pattern where we kept, right? That is giving the maximum number of black squares. Okay. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. Anna, Berta, Charlie, David and Elisa were baking cookies on Friday and Saturday. Over the 2 days, Anna made 24 cookies, Berta 25, Charlie 26, David 27, Elisa 28. Over the 2 days, one of them made twice as many cookies as on Friday, and one 3 times as many as, and the other one 4 times as many, and the other one for 5 times as many, another one 6 times as many as the on Friday. So who baked the most cookies on Friday? So everybody has made some cookies more than they made on Friday, but one has achieved 2 times, other one is 3, other one is 4, other one is 5. We don't know who is that. So it's like, if suppose this is 5 times 5, right? So she has made 5 cookies on Friday, and she has made 5 times as many she can make made it on the Friday. So we just find out what are the multiples present. So 6 times 4, then it is 13 times 2, there is 3 times 3, and so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not covered. Okay. This is 7 times 4, right? So this we keep it for 4 times, and this is for 6 times. Okay, so this is 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 6 times. Okay, so this is the number of cookies. 4, 5, 13, 3 and 7 are the number of cookies they made on Friday, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 the number of times they have made more than the Friday. Okay, what is the question is, who baked the most cookies on Friday? So the number of cookies is 4, 5, 13, 3 and 7. So 13 is the largest number. So Charlie made the most number of cookies on Friday. Answer is C, Charlie.